how to create a file name with the current date and time in Python. Here is a functional code. Create file with success. Now I'm trying to name the file with the current date, time. I'm not an expert in Python. I want to write out a file name with the exact date and time. It is an XML file that the program has already created. I just need to name the file. The above code is not working. The error returned.
While not using datetime, this solves your problem, answers your question of getting a string with the current time and date format you specify. Yields. So your file name could append or use this string.
Change this line. 2. Note the extra date time. Alternatively, change your import datetime to from datetime import datetime.
This one is much more human readable.
Now is a class method in the class datetime in the module datetime. So you need, or you can use a different import. Done this way allows you to use datetime.now as per the code in the question.
Here's some that I needed to include the datetime stamp in the folder name for dumping files from a web scraper.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.